Halo Sisi, sumin aku.
Nothing is so good, it lasts eternally. Perfect situations must go wrong, but this have never yet prevented me wanting far too much for far too long. Looking back, I could have played it differently.
One few more moments of guilty, but it took time to understand me.
Now at least I know him well. Wasn't it good?
Was so cold,
Wasn't it
was so
fun?
fine.
Isn't it madness? He can be mine. But in the end he needs a little bit more than me, more security.
It's a fantasy and freedom.
I know him so well. No one in your life is with you constantly.
No one is completely on your side.
And though I move my world to be with him, still the gap between us is still wide.
Looking back, I could have played it differently.
But a few more moments you can
Was just
tell.
never
But I was ever so much stronger then. Now at least I know him well.
Wasn't it cool?
Oh, so good.
Wasn't it fine?
Oh, so fine.
Isn't it madness?
He won't be mine.
Didn't I know how it would go if I knew from the start? Why
Am I falling apart? Wasn't he good?
wasn't it fine? Isn't it madness?
He won't be mine. But in the end he needs a little bit more than me, more security.
Jesus, fantasy and freedom, I know him so well.
It's a time to understand him.
I
know him so well. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, Sisi.